Hi, I'm Solange. I am a wife, a stay-at-home mom, and an online health, wellness, and fitness coach. If you've been following me, you know that this is my reset journey, the ultimate reset produced by Beachbody, the company that I work with, as I continue on my health and fitness journey. So for a while, I was at about I would say 70, sometimes 60% good nutrition. On really good days, 80, 85. So with the ultimate reset, it has helped me refocus all my energy solely on nutrition. So getting rid of the negativity in my body, the toxins, working on mindset for a full 21 days, and limited working out. I can work out, but it would be with walking or restorative yoga, things like that. Nothing intense like I've been used to doing. And so today is day 4, and I feel better. The last 2 days I've had headaches and I've been a little foggy. Day 2 was really foggy for me. Kind of like this cloud over me, like something heavy weighing down. And it's not completely gone, but it has lifted. So that's a plus. And of course, the meals, as you've been seeing, the meals are quite filling and they are delicious. And honestly, the thing that I struggled with the most was the miso soup. I've had it before. I didn't like it before. And with these recipes, we add wakame seaweed. So I made it a little bit different. Israel loves the seaweed. I'm fine with the seaweed. It's just the soup. It's one of those things. So the whole point of this journey for me is just reintroducing my body to all sorts of goodness. So even though I was doing well before, I wasn't doing my best. So with these 21 days, they will be uninterrupted, no cheat days, completely by the book. And so far, it's been going really well. I mean, the meals are huge. I'm not starving. I'm truly satisfied. Israel loves all the foods, and that's a plus. He eats whatever we eat. So I look forward to the rest of the journey. I'm really happy that I feel better today, less headachy. But I know that's just the toxins leaving my body and the screaming baby. So anyway, see you tomorrow for day 5. Phase 1 is almost over. Bye.